Innovative IELTS essay course overview. Also, the major examples are vocabulary as of levels of words, grammar up to functionalities, cohesion and coherence in method summaries. One, showing how to use sentence variety, signal words, and rhetorical devices for grammatical range of accuracy. Two, teaching word choices for different sentence natures in paragraph and provide do's and don'ts, example categories. Three, showing how to meet word count requirements by filling function forms and high-scored sentences. Four, learn to use paragraph layouts for different question types and skill sets for all scored functions. Five, practice an easy technique of brainstorming to generate both opinion and facts for a strong essay structure. Are you ready? Be trained to upgrade your scores and career. No more confusion and wasting time. Thank you for your persistence. Your effort and skills will be of great value.